Hello guys, my name is Fanny. Welcome to this series on communication problems. And in this video, I want to talk to you about communication problems that occur when we use different kinds of English. Because as you know, we don't have the same English in the UK and in the US, for example. So some Americans don't understand me when I speak English because I don't have the same pronunciation and because I don't always use the same words. Most of the time we do understand each other, but sometimes we don't, and it can be quite confusing at times. For example, to me, there's a ground floor in a building. To an American person, my ground floor is their first floor. So if I talk about the first floor, I don't mean the same floor as an American person. So see, it can get a bit confusing. And talking about confusion, I have a story which is quite funny. I was in college at the time and I was on the phone with an American friend. And we talk, for 20-25 minutes. And then we decide to go grab a drink together. So I'm like, yeah, we should go out and have a drink. And she's like, okay, yeah, sure, what a good idea. And then she says, let me just put on some pants. Now, you have to know, pants in the USA means like trousers, okay, your pants, okay, like these. In British English, pants are underpants, okay? So for me, when she says, let me put on some pants, I get this image of my friend talking to me for 20 minutes naked, with no underpants on. So I was quite shocked and I said, what? She said, yeah, just grab some pants. I said, what do you mean, pants? And she said, oh, no, I mean trousers. And then we just laughed so hard because, for a minute there was just a lot of confusion. So yeah, depending on where you come from, I think you shouldn't underestimate, the differences, and you have to be careful sometimes with the words that you choose, so yeah, that's something that can happen. So you see, even native speakers sometimes don't really understand each other. That happens as well. So yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you. I hope you've enjoyed and see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please show us your support. Click like, subscribe to our channel, share the video with your friends, and put your comments below if you have some. Thank you and see you.